What's the freaking difference between the X96 TV box and the new X96 Mini? Let's dig in deeper and find out. Hello everybody, my name is Amel and welcome to my channel. When it comes to software, the original runs Android 6.0 and the Mini comes with Android 7.1. New software is always good in my opinion, but either way they both got good and stable software to run with. The original comes with ARM Cortex A7 CPU, while the Mini has a slightly better CPU, which is ARM Cortex A53. Either way guys, they both run fast and efficient. I own both and have not noticed much difference between the two. One thing I did notice a little bit is that the X96 Mini is a little smoother when switching between different apps. The Cortex A7 chip that's in the original box runs only at 8-bit, which will give you 256 steps per channel, while the Cortex A53 chip that's in the Mini runs at 10-bit, which will give you 1024 steps per channel. At the end of the day, what all this means is you get a better compression efficiency. In other terms, you get better picture quality on the X96 Mini. When it comes to RAM and storage, the original can only come in 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, while the Mini has two different options, which is 1 gig of RAM and 8 gigs of storage, or 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. And also keep in mind that on the X96 Mini you can upgrade the storage to 64 gigs with an external micro SD card. The original supports Bluetooth, which is 4.0, while the Mini does not have Bluetooth connectivity. So keep that in mind if that's something that you need when you're trying to decide what box is right for you. The original box does not have AirPlay, while the Mini does. For some of you that don't know what AirPlay is, what it basically does, it lets you connect your phone to the box so you can display whatever you have playing on your phone on the TV. When it comes to the inputs they have, both of them have the same inputs, which are Ethernet, HDMI, AV, IR blaster, 2 USB ports, card reader, and a power supply input. They both support a number of video formats, including 4K. The original box runs on 32-bit firmware, while the Mini runs at 64-bit. They both come preloaded with Kodi. Only difference is the Mini comes with the newest updated version of Kodi, while the original only has Kodi 16 at the time when I purchased the product. If this video was helpful to you in any way, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, you guys be safe out there and peace out.